In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Fidelity portfolio performance. We'll keep this simple, clear, and right on the website. First, log in to your Fidelity account on the official Fidelity site. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. If you manage more than one account, don't worry, you can still review overall performance or focus on specific accounts as you go. Next, go to the top navigation and look for Accounts and Trade. Click that, and then choose Portfolio. This brings you to your portfolio view, which is the central place to see what you own, how it's doing, and where your balances stand. Think of this page as your home base for tracking progress. From here, select the Performance tab. You'll typically see this alongside other tabs like Positions or Activity. The Performance tab zeroes in on returns and growth, and it's designed to give you a big picture view without having to dig through lots of numbers. On the Performance tab, you'll see a chart that shows your portfolio's growth over time. This visual is helpful for spotting trends, how your balance has moved through different market environments, and for seeing the impact of contributions, withdrawals, and market changes. Nearby, you'll find figures for your current balance and your returns, often expressed as percentages and dollar amounts. These numbers help you understand not just where you are, but what's driven the change. You can also compare your performance to benchmarks. This is valuable context because it shows how your portfolio has stacked up against a broad market measure, like a major index. Remember, a benchmark is not a goal. It's a reference point that helps you understand relative performance based on your mix of investments and risk level. Finally, adjust the time period to view historical data. You can switch among ranges like month to date, year to date, 1 year, or longer. Changing the time frame can reveal patterns you might miss day to day, such as how your portfolio behaved during market swings, or how consistent your returns have been over a full year. As you review, keep in mind that performance is typically shown net of market movements and may reflect dividends and interest. Data can have slight reporting delays, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Still, returning to this page regularly helps you stay informed and make more confident decisions aligned with your goals. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Fidelity portfolio performance.